seremonya, katulad po ngayong graduation. Ganyan din ang nangyayari kapag meron ng mga anniversary celebration, halimbawa sa tatlong sangay ng Armed Forces, sa Army, sa Navy, sa Air Force. At ganyan din ang ginagawa pagka meron ng anibersaryo ng AFP, yan sa Camp Aguinaldo, kung saan ay madalas din na nagiging panahong pannagal ng presidente ng Pilipinas bilang Commander-in-Chief ng Armed Forces. Sa mga nanonood sa telebisyon, ang inyong pong napapanood ay feed mula sa opisyal na channel ng pamahalaan.
And like Commander, the battalion adjutants join the respective battalion staffs.
Pagka kayo napaakyat ho ng Baguio, pagka may graduation, subukan po rin manood dyan. Bakit maganda hong panoorin yung graduation ceremonies. Basta't ganito, full formation. Hindi katulad po ng mga nauna na enclosed, kaya'y nasa loob po ng isang multipurpose hall, doon po nakaupo na yung mga kadete, at wala pong marcha. Dito ay magkakaroon po sila ng parade and review. Kapo-form pa lang ho ng mga tropa, mga kadete ng PMA sa Borromeo City.
Soldiers to take their posts in line with their platoons.
At siyempre babatiin po natin ang mga tanyag na miyembro ng Baguis Class 2012 ng Philippine Military Academy. Ang valedictorian ay si Cadet First Class Tom Puertoliano, taga Lipa City, dyan po sa Batangas. Si Puertoliano ay sasapi sa Philippine Army bilang Second Lieutenant. Mamaya, manunumpa po sila sa tungkulin. Manunumpa sila sa tungkulin bilang mga opisyal ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Si Puertoliano, mga kaibigan, ay tatanggap din ng 11 major awards, kabilang ang tinatawag na Presidential Saber at ang Presidential Academic Excellence Award. Samantala, tatanggapin niya rin ang JUSMAG Award. Ito naman po yung award na nanggagaling po ng US, Joint United States Military Advisory Group. Meron hong grupo rito na mga US military personnel na nagiging advisor sa iba't ibang mga programa ng Armed Forces of the Philippines. Sila rin yung taga-monitor ng compliance o kaya mga tulong na ibinibigay ng AF ng US sa Armed Forces natin.
Andamay bunot! Chris!
The Brigade Commander orders all present the court to orchestra the one. His Excellency Benigno S. Aquino III, President, Republic of the Philippines, and Commander-in-Chief Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Nakatayo ang presidente sa stage habang ipinipresenta ng troop commander ang buong cadet corps ng PMA.
The audience is requested to stand.
Mabino! Tanghal! Ta!
Cadet Puertoliano ay tatanggap din po, mga kaibigan, ng Australian Defense Award, Philippine Army Saber, Academic Group Award, Humanities Plaque, Social Sciences Plaque, Management Plaque, Army Professional Corps Plaque at ang Spanish Armed Forces Award. Yan po ay para sa valedictorian si Cadet First Class Tom Puertoliano na magiging Second Lieutenant sa Philippine Army ngayon. Ang tawag ko ng Class 2012, Baguis Class 2012, Baguis.
Thank you. You may now be seated.
Ta! Mahal na Paulo, nadala po mga talupan upang libutin.
Si Pangulo Aquino ay bumaba ng stage, kasabay po ang commandant ng PMA.
Recipients of awards
Alala ko lang, si General De Leose naging commandant nga pala ng Philippine Military Academy, ano, ang ating Chief of Staff. Ang tawag po rito ay reviewing the troops. Sa Tagalog ay libutin ang hanay, gano'n. Si Presidente kasama po ang troop commander, iikot po sila dun sa unang linya ng mga tropa para sa inspection, no? Kasunod sa likod nila, ito ang mga troop staff.
He's an economist by training and a public official by profession. He served in the House of Representatives as representative of the 2nd District of Tarlac from 1998 to 2007 and served in the Philippine Senate from May 2007 to June 2010. As a senator, he chaired the Senate Committee on Local Government, where he anchored his key legislative initiatives on good governance through increased transparency and accountability, particularly in the use of public funds. His public service is founded on the democratic ideals championed by his parents, former Senator and Martir, Benigno Ninoy Aquino Jr., and former President Corazon Aquino.
Mahaba-habang nakaranig ko kasi
Following the death and funeral of his mother, former President
kahit na
Corazon
first
Aquino,
line lang ho talagang malaking tropa po. Ito isang batalyon ng mga kadete ng PMA.
and campaigned on the core message, kung walang korap, walang mahirap.
Ladies and gentlemen, to bring before us our guest of honor, His Excellency Benigno S. Aquino III, President, Republic of the Philippines and Commander-in-Chief Armed Forces of the Philippines. He is accompanied by Major General Donato Alfredo T. Peralta Jr., Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Superintendent, Philippine Military Academy, and by the Brigade Commander, Cadet First Captain Mark Anthony S. Tito.
On May 10, 2010, he was elected with the largest plurality under the 1997 Constitution. On June 30, 2010, he was inaugurated into office. As President of the Philippines, President Benigno S. Aquino III continues to pursue programs anchored in clean, honest, and effective governance for all Filipinos in fulfillment of his social contract with the Filipino people.
Looking back at history, shipping a line was brought about by the invention of many Greeks by the Romans in 1200 BC. This is the act of which can tell the story before and after each battle. Today, we still observe this military tradition to signify the common trust between the troops and their commander.
Babagatin lang ho natin mga kaibigan yung iba pang miyembro ng top 10 sa graduating class ng Class PMA Baguis, ano? Sina First Class Cadet Jose Marie Cabrera ng Cebu, Lucien J. Calma ng Fort Bonifacio dito po sa Taguig, Angeline Esmeria mula sa Taguig, Jetro Olavides mula sa Zamboanga, Sibugay, Aaron Lesler Regimen mula sa Tanawan City, Batangas, Diane Carl Cabigas ng Caloocan, Fel Balambao Sagin ng Zamboanga del Sur, Rone Gio Manganaan mula sa Rosales, Pangasinan, at si Christopher Juan na taga Tagum City, Davao del Norte. Dito po sa mga magtatapos na 187 Napaglaman po natin na 71 kalalakihan at 11 babae ang sasapi sa Philippine Army. 41 lalaki, 7 babae sasapi sa Philippine Navy, samantala 36 na lalaki at 1 babae ang sasapi naman sa Philippine Air Force.
Ay, salok!
Ibu mana po ka?
Saksak! Wala! Mga kaneteng! Nakatakdang na muna! Marap at kumagit na! Tan!
Of the Philippines from the PMA class of 2012 to the PMA Pudang Alis class of 2013.
Pamino, paslong! Tan! Pamino! Go! Hugay kami!
The incoming cadet officers render salute to the outgoing cadet officers. It signifies an old church tradition of accepting the responsibility of directing and leading the whole of cadets.
Hugay kamay! Na! Pamino,
As the
kamay.
outgoing cadet officers acknowledges the salute of the incoming cadet officers, it symbolizes the trust and confidence given to the new leadership.
Pamino, baba kamay! Na! Baba kamay! Na! Pamino, baba kamay! Na! Baba kamay! Na! Isalin ang pamumuno!
The platoon leaders will now relinquish their command to their second-class counterparts.